Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing this wonderful Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, 4-29-20. I have on here so you can see, don't forget, oops, this side, I don't know when I'm going to get used to that, is our Friends Chit Chat today at 9 o'clock, 9 to 9:30. So even if you roll out of bed at 9:20, 9:25, hop on here real quick to see all your friends. We'll still be on there till 9:30 today, our Friends Chit Chat. So yay, I hope I see a lot of you. Okay, let me see a few announcements. Class check-in, again, is at 11:30 to 12. Hop on there if you want me to work with your kiddo, if they're getting stuck on an assignment or just want some other people around you while you're doing your schoolwork like you would have at school. Just hop on there. I get to see a lot of you guys again today. Woo-wee. I'm not gonna have a voice left over all this talking. All right, so I'm gonna see Sarai, Matea, Aaron, Olivia, Sean, and Jaylene. So yay! Y'all make sure you bring your work that you've done so far so we can go over it and maybe do some extra practice problems together, or bring a book to read to me. I've been missing I haven't had really a lot of readers read to me, and I love reading, so bring a book, read to me. And let's see, let me go over our one-pagers real quick. In ELAR, so yesterday you watched Miss Bedford, you watched Miss Bedford use a graphic organizer. Remember, it had the circle on top that said topic and then 3 facts. So then today what you're going to do is you're going to watch Miss Bedford again, and you are going to use that graphic organizer to help you write your paper. Okay, so easy peasy. It's pretty much exactly what we did last week. You're taking your organizer, everything that you had found in your book, and then now you're going to use that to write them in full sentences in a nice writing piece. Okay, so this is in preps for your performance task. The graphic organizer, again, is not what you turn in for your writing piece. That is just to help you organize your thoughts and make sure you've got everything that you need for your paper. Okay, so you get to write today. Today in math, this is a little different. We've never done this before. So kiddos, you've gone to iStation before for your reading and math, okay? This is going to be a tiny bit different. So when you go, again, my printer's horribly printing things, so sorry. It's better on your end when you look it on your computer. Okay, so you'll go to the iStation, but this time you're going to go, oh my goodness. I can't even see it. It looks like a little backpack. That's as much as I can see. It's a little backpack. We've put some work in there for you. So don't click on your normal reading or math. Go on when you log in, and you know how everything pops up and you're like, are we doing reading or math? Don't go to reading or math. You go to this little backpack. You're going to click on there, and you're going to complete the work that's in there, okay? And again, I've sent everybody out their iStations login information, so you should still have it. If not, just let me know, and I'll resend that to you. Also, if you do have time, there's a lot of you guys who have not done your reading or math iStation. Remember, it kind of retests you every month. So if you got time, just hop on there after you do your backpack homework. Hop on there and finish the reading and the math part of it too. Okay, for science. Ooh, today you're going to watch a video. Man, my printer is really going out. You're going to watch a video, and then you're going to write 2 complete sentences about a butterfly's life cycle. Okay, so when I say sentences, I don't mean 1 or 2 words, right? That's not a sentence, that's just making a list. Try your best. This means that I should see a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence and punctuation at the end of your sentence. And if you could write at least 2 sentences telling how the butterfly changes over time. So you could start your sentence off and say, first, a butterfly is this. Or next, the butterfly turns into this. Okay, so complete sentences, okay? Nice spacing between your words, capital letters, punctuation, sound out your words. I know you feel silly doing it when I tell you to slow it down and stretch out the words, okay? You guys have been actually doing really good on sounding out your words. I've been really impressed on that one. Okay, so that's all there is today. Again, don't forget our friends chit chat. I'll be excited to see everybody. All right, I'll let you go. I've talked your ear off enough this morning. I know. All right, I love you. I miss you guys, and I will see you all here in a little while at our friends chit chat. Bye, my friends.